Good morning. I realize there's a few things I haven't shared with you, the things that make my day really bright and happy. So first thing in the morning, as I put on my favorite bathrobe and I come out into my kitchen, now I have to move very slowly, otherwise it won't be going away. Okay, now can you see? I gotta go slowly. See my birds? Can you see the birds out the window there? And see this dish right here? Can you see the dish? I load that up with sunflower seeds and I get the squirrels and the birds right here off my kitchen window when I come out in the morning. If I move slowly, they don't run away. See? My house, I feed them. This little feeder here has a lot of sunflower seeds, wild bird food seeds, and I also take and put peanuts in the shell. I crack them open and put them out there without salt on them. The squirrels really like the peanuts. Okay, now I just have to show you one other bird. This is how I make my house so alive with wonderful energy. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is my bird watching room. Oh, I just scared away the bird. Okay, if I sit here for just a minute. Now, remember I showed you this is the dish right there out that window. Now, okay, you can see the little footprints. You can see the little footprints all along here, running up. That's where the squirrels run over and come down, and then they jump onto my bird feeder dish that I showed you before. Now, if I turn slowly, the suet, crazy me, buys organic suet, costs as much as the hamburger meat. In that nice big feeder. Whoops. Yeah, right here. You see it? Now, if I don't move much, that's where all my woodpeckers go. And you say, oh, that's so wonderful. All these 4 different types of woodpeckers. And I've been feeding them for years now, so they keep coming back and back and back. I don't know if they'll come right now because I might have scared them away. But this is what one of them looks like. I got a picture of them. Can you see that? All right. And I put that picture right next to my daughter's picture. I've got really strong women that can pick up those fish. All right. Anyhow, I love you all. Thanks for coming and listening to my stories of my birds in the middle of the snowstorm. Love ya. Bye.